हेलो चिल्ड्रन, जय स्वामीनारायण। हाउ आर यू ऑल? आप सब कैसे हो? अच्छे हो? गुड। चिल्ड्रन, वी हैव फिनिश्ड सेमेस्टर 1 book in EVS. Today we will start a new lesson from our semester 2 book. The name of the lesson is Our Earth. Children, this is the picture of a globe. What is a globe? Globe is the model of our earth. Globe exactly earth के जैसा होता है। आपको मालूम है, more than half of the surface of the earth is water. आप इस पिक्चर में देख सकते हो, जितना भी ब्लू पार्ट है वो सब वाटर है और बचा हुआ पार्ट इज लैंड. Because of this, Earth is also known as a blue planet. So children, if I ask you where do you live, आपका आंसर क्या होगा? घर पर रहते हैं. पर ये घर कहाँ होता है? घर अर्थ पर होता है. Earth is our home where we live. Children, there are 8 planets. Earth is the third planet from the sun. It moves round the sun. So children, let us learn more about the planet. This is our earth. We live on this beautiful planet. Our earth has land, air and water. Earth has life. No other planet has life. Now, our earth is like a round ball. It is made up of land and water and is surrounded by air. Our houses are built on land. There are different types of land, and they are plains, hills, mountains, rivers, and deserts. Plants and animals live on land. Now, the 3 main parts of our earth are air, water, and land. Air is present around us everywhere. We cannot live without air. बच्चों, आप क्या एयर को देख सकते हो? No, we cannot see air. We can only feel it. Animal and plants, they also breathe air to live. So, air is very important for us to live on earth. Water. We all drink water when we are thirsty. We cannot live without water. All the plants, trees need water to live. Animals also need water. We get water from wells, ponds, lakes, streams, rivers, seas, and ocean, which are present on our earth. Now, all of us live in a beautiful world. Our earth is wonderful. It is a safe place for all of us to live in. So, we should take care of our earth. Now, let us summarize our lesson. 8 planets revolve around the sun. Our earth is one of them. Our earth is made up of land and water. Air surrounds the earth. Plains are flat land where most of the people live. So I hope children you have understood this lesson. Read the lesson from the book. And in our next session, we are going to learn about types of land. Thank you children and Jai Swaminarayan.